Good morning. This is the barrel of monkeys that is. They are turning into little teenager cats, maybe? Not quite teenager cats. But they are very fast. Triple fast. And their faces are changing. And they just had a bite for breakfast and they just want to do this. Yeah. Imagine that being your leg. It's cute. It's real cute. But we're having big problems on where is the potty? What is the potty? Oh yeah, the potty. Anyhow, we're keeping this room cool as much as possible, and that's a struggle. So, a few things to work on here. Potty and temperature control. Other than that, I think I need to build them something to have more fun. Yeah. We're not having enough fun. Where's Gina? What did we do with Gina? She smushed? Oh. Hi. You're not smushed. You're hiding. Alright, I'm going back to my coffee. So silly. You guys. Oh my. Alright, good morning. 2 minutes? 2 minutes of kitten. That's too much.